Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you guys 11 different styling and beauty hacks and tricks that you guys can try out. If you'd like to see them all, then just keep on watching. This first styling trick is for the longer and medium hair ladies. So I don't know about you guys, but whenever I tie my hair up in a high ponytail with a hair tie, it ends up slouching down and it doesn't have that glamorous look that I want to go for. So if you want a really high ponytail styled like Ariana Grande, a trick I do is tying my hair up and using a piece of my hair to wrap around the tie. This not only makes the ponytail hold up higher, but it also conceals the hair tie to make it look more put together and glamorous. Use a bobby pin to secure the hairpiece in the back. If you want your hair to hold up even higher, then use a thicker hair tie like the one I'm using here. The only disadvantage to this is how you'll have to use a larger hairpiece to cover the hair tie since it's thicker, and it may make your ponytail thinner depending on how much hair you have. And obviously comb all of your hair first before doing the ponytail like me, so you won't be struggling like I just was. So this next styling trick is my personal favorite. I'm gonna show you how to make a frumpy looking shirt or top like this into something cute and spicy like this. So if you got some baggy shirts or tops lying around, don't throw them out just yet. You might be able to turn them into a really stylish top. For the shirt or top, you're gonna need something that is a bit loose and kind of stretchy, like the one that I'm using here. Then grab the bottom of the top and pull it up to the scoop neck in order to wrap it around. Make sure you're wearing a bra underneath, so then you could wrap the top around the bra so it could be more secure. The bra will also help complement the overall look. Don't forget to tuck in the sides and back underneath the bra too. And make sure it's even on each side and make it flow nicely in the back as well. This other small trick I'm going to show you requires a top or dress that can be pulled down at the shoulders a bit if you want an off-the-shoulder look, but with some support for your girls in the front. Again, make sure you're wearing a bra underneath and simply pull the bra straps down a bit with the top. The bra will keep your girls supported since it's not fully off. If the top you have isn't as stretchy or holds as much fabric as the one that I was previously using, then another alternative that you could do is to use a matching colored piece of cut fabric, ribbon, or a flattering drawstring in order to tie where the scoop neck is down to the bottom of the top. So you're pretty much going to be doing the same procedure with the tie. So just wrap the tie around the bra and the top and then tie it. Make sure you tie it in the front and then try to rotate it in the back so then it won't be seen. This will create a similar look. If you don't have a piece of matching fabric, then you also have the option to cut a strand from the bottom of the top since you're going to be rolling it up anyway as a crop top. And of course, make your adjustments. For this top especially, I like to roll it up because it just makes the top look more natural, as if it was born that way. And of course, don't forget the back and make sure it flows nicely. Make sure you conceal the tie by tucking it in the bra or the top in a very secure way, otherwise it might pop out like it did with mine right there, but I was just in a rush. This next one is for something more festive or artistic and decorative. So if you want to go to a party or festival, have a head accessory for a costume, accessorize, or do something extra for a special occasion, you can use one of your stylish necklaces as a headpiece instead of having to go out and buy an actual head accessory. This trick is great if you need something quick or simply want to save some additional money. Obviously, use a necklace that suits the look for a head accessory. A baby pin will help lengthen the chain a bit in case you don't have time to buy or find a slightly longer chain to use. Make sure the chain is thin or light for comfort and to make it more adjustable. After situating it, place bobby pins on each side of your hair. Slide the chain underneath the bobby pins in order to make the bobby pins less evident and to keep the chain from sliding lower on your head. It's best if you use bobby pins that are closest to your hair color or clips that complement and blend in with the necklace of your choice. You can also clip on the bobby pins or clips over the chain for extra security. The sixth trick I have is getting a small accessory with a loop that's big enough to slide in some hoop earrings. This one is pretty straightforward and uncomplicated. The accessory I'm using for this purpose is actually another pair of earrings, but they're just smaller. I wanted to throw this one in since it's just a different way to wear your earrings. You can see how there's a difference in the appearance and style between wearing the hoops alone and wearing the hoops with the small dangly accessory paired with it. It changes up the look a bit. Now on to the seventh trick. So instead of lengthening your chain necklace, I'm going to show you how to shorten your chain necklace with a baby pin now. All you have to do is find your desired length, then pin where you want the chain to link together in order to give you the length that you want. This trick is also pretty straightforward. I typically conceal the rest of the long chain in the back by putting it underneath my top. Obviously, this method will only work if the chain you have has hoops that are big enough for the baby pin to slide through. However, as an alternative method for smaller chains that don't have hoops that are wide enough for the baby pin, I just tie it in the back with a small elastic hair tie so it won't be too evident. As for the eighth trick, you're going to need activated charcoal powder. This is more so a natural and healthier alternative to black eyeshadow or conventional hair products. If you have a receding hairline or wish to make your hair look fuller, you can use this to cover some deficient spots on your scalp and/or shape your hairline. So instead of using or wasting your makeup, why not use something that is better for your hair? Make sure you're not wearing a top that you don't want to stain for going out that day, especially if it's white. As you apply, tilt your head so you don't stain it on your face, since you would need soap or shampoo in order to get the stain off your skin. Be patient and only use it in small amounts on your brush or finger as you apply it bit by bit in order to avoid fallouts. It would be best if you apply this before doing your face makeup. Luckily for me, I wasn't wearing any foundation. Obviously, this method would be suitable for those who have black hair. However, for other hair colors, you can still use activated charcoal powder as an ideal ingredient for a deep cleansing hair mask. Activated charcoal powder is known for its ability to absorb impurities and toxins. It is a natural detoxifier and can help to remove impurities from the scalp and hair. It is also said to help with dandruff and other scalp conditions. Because activated charcoal is so absorbent, it can help to remove oil, dirt, dandruff, and other impurities or toxins from your hair and scalp. Activated charcoal does not damage hair, so you can use it without having to worry about negative effects. It is an excellent alternative if you desire or need extra care for your hair and its growth. It also helps exfoliate your scalp as it removes excess sebum and dirt buildup. It's additionally great to use on days where you have an excessive oily scalp and need something to reduce the appearance of greasy hair. Furthermore, it can aid with thin, flat hair by stacking the hair, making it appear thicker and voluminous. Trick number 9. This one is for any loose tops you may have. If you want your top to be tighter in order to complement your shape and waist, you're going to need that baby pin again. So instead of tying it in the back with a hair tie, a more concealed way of going about it is to use that baby pin. However, it would require a bit more skill in order to pin it in the back in a way that appears natural to the clothing. What I do first is pin it on one side, then pull the other side to bring the two sides closer in order to pin both in the middle. Make sure each side that you pull together appears approximately even and not lopsided. For beginners, I would probably suggest you to try doing it by wearing your top backwards, then rotate it after you're done pinning it. If you can't or don't want to do it independently, then you can ask someone to help pin it for you in the back. The thicker the fabric, the larger of a baby pin you'll need. The top that I'm using for this purpose is thinner, so I'll be using a smaller baby pin. You want to make sure that the baby pin isn't too large for thinner fabrics, otherwise it may be too harsh for it and rip it. The 10th trick that I'm going to show you for this video would require cocoa powder. If you want a natural and non-toxic alternative to your conventional makeup products for contouring, then it's possible that you can just use cocoa powder. I typically apply cocoa powder whenever I just want a light contour. Personally for me, I don't really need that much contour. However, I noticed using it even lightly does make a slight enhancement to my face. The final trick would require a strapless bra and a suitable stylish scarf. So if you have some silky like scarves laying around, you can use them to wear as a strapless crop top or cover up for the beach. The method is similar to how we styled the other tops that I showed you previously. So all you need to do is wrap the scarf around your chest, then tie the ends in the middle. Make sure you loop the ends underneath the bra while tying it for extra security. The first time I tied with the bra, and the second time that I tied is without the bra. The bra not only helps secure the scarf in place, but it also provides your girls in the front some support. Adjust the parts of the scarf where the cups are in order to make it look more like a natural top. As per usual, don't forget to adjust the back as well, especially if the scarf is more transparent in order to conceal the bra. Alright, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new or found something cool that you might want to try out next time when you just want to have fun, doll yourself up, and style yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time when I come up with something else. Peace out.